Hi there, I'm Paulina from Katsan SVG. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the standing goose. I actually made it slightly smaller than the file, but as my sign is smaller, it's not 12 inches, it's 8 inches. I wanted to be able to use the same add-ons, so I made my standing goose smaller to fit my set of add-ons. So this is the base, and you know how to assemble this. I stained it and I glued it together. It's a two-layer stand, so I can have better stability. And you have the goose that will go here. Okay, right? So this is the base, and you have two wings. The second wing will come here. So I'm putting some glue here at the bottom. And I try to align it to the scoring line the best I can. And of course to hide this slot here for the add-ons. And for the second wing, I put here, I paint it white, and this is its front. So now I will try to align it the best I can to the front wing. Okay, so that's it. And I see that I have some white paint here that I want to clean up. Okay, so that's it. And if you want, you can put some glue here when assembling the goose to the stand, so it's more stable. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.